Hello, welcome to Ortega Dental Care. I'm Elham Zarnagar, California registered dental hygienist. Periodontal diseases are infections of structures surrounding the tooth, including the gum, periodontal ligament, and bone. According to CDC's latest report, 47.2% of adults over the age of 30 have some degree of periodontal disease, and if left untreated, can lead to tooth loss and other health complications. One of the latest technologies that we use in addition to traditional scaling and root planing is the use of Diode laser. Diode laser helps control periodontal disease by targeting periodontal pathogens and by removing the dead epithelial lining from periodontal pocket in a non-invasive procedure, promoting the body to repair periodontal damages and to keep the disease under control. Set up an appointment today to see if you are the right candidate for laser treatment.